Hi everyone, and welcome back to TonOrbital. I'm Tonio, and today we're diving deep into Omniston by STON.fi, a decentralized liquidity aggregator that's revolutionizing the way we handle swaps in the Ton ecosystem. If you've ever overpaid for a swap or struggled to find the best rates, this video is for you. Omniston is a decentralized liquidity aggregator built by STON.fi, but what does that mean? Simply put, it's a platform that connects to multiple decentralized exchanges and liquidity pools to find you the best possible rates for swapping tokens. Imagine you want to swap TON for USDT. Without an aggregator, you would need to visit different dexes, compare rates manually, and pick the best one. That's time-consuming and not always effective. Omniston solves this by searching all available sources for you in real time. It checks each platform, finds the one offering the best price, and routes your swap through it automatically. You don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. Omniston handles it all in seconds. It's also highly efficient for developers and liquidity providers. Developers can easily integrate Omniston into their applications, so users always get the best rates without leaving the app. And for liquidity providers, Omniston's smart routing makes sure their liquidity is always utilized where it's needed the most, optimizing their earnings. If you provide liquidity to a supported DEX, Omniston's smart routing will direct more trade volume to that pool if it offers the best rates. This means your liquidity could be utilized more often, potentially earning you more fees. Now, let's use STON.fi and explore Omniston. First, we go to the STON.fi website and open the app. Here, we need to connect our wallet and confirm the sync in our TON keeper. Here, we want to swap some TON for USDT. As you can see, it's currently using the standard STON.fi route. However, if we go to settings and enable Omniston, you'll notice that the price changes. Now, we are swapping our TON at the best rate. It may not seem like much now, but with higher volumes and over time, this protocol could save you a lot of money. Next, we'll hit the swap button and confirm the transaction in our wallet. A major advantage of Omniston is its access to a wide variety of tokens from multiple liquidity sources. Now, let's swap a different token. This time, we'll trade NOT for MAI. When we look at the route Omniston is using, we can see that our NOT is first converted to TON, and then the TON is swapped for MAI, and both steps happen through DDoS liquidity pools since it offers the best rate right now. We just need to press the swap button and approve the transaction in our wallet. That's it, we have successfully used Omniston and swapped our tokens at the best rate. When you start a swap on Omniston, it automatically sends a request to multiple decentralized exchanges to find the best price. These DEX reply with their rates, and Omniston picks the best one for you. This is called smart routing. Everything happens securely on the blockchain, so if there's any issue, the transaction is canceled and your funds are returned safely. Once confirmed, the swap is completed and your tokens arrive in your wallet. Omniston by STON.fi is making token swaps faster, cheaper, and more secure on the TON blockchain. Whether you're a regular user looking for the best swap rates or a developer wanting easy integration, Omniston has you covered. And remember, always do your own research before making any financial decisions. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Stay informed with the latest TON news by following us on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.